Good night, my name is Erika Olaños. I want to talk about the effects of the technology. The changing conditions that we have in this moment are very dangerous for us and for the animals, because we use so much energy for the new ideas, and the new machines leave more trash in our planet, damaging the air like the plastic. But not everything is bad, because some companies are using the solar energy, replacing the regular electricity. You can feel the change here in the weather here in Bogota. You can feel that sometimes it's very hot, sometimes it's very cold. We have in the world the big problem is the pollution. You can see here in the sky the black clouds in Colombia. That is for the smoke of the vehicles, the regular transport, the motorcycles. And that smoke is very toxic because it is toxic air, and it comes with the respiratory disease. This situation comes with change in the ecosystems. We had to work and help with this problem. In a few years, will be a disaster, and it's not only for us; it's for the animals too. Because if you see the news, you can see the animals are dying, and they don't have their regular habitat for live. We had so much waste for change this. Don't throw garbage in the streets, in the rivers. Take care with the trees, because the trees have our air. I see the planet will limit time. We have only until 2030 for change this, because maybe can come a catastrophe. The time is ending. The results of these situations you can feel and see in this moment, like the floods, the fires, the change in the water, and negative effects in the person and in the animals. And it's necessary to change the destructive behavior in the humanity. We need to see the planet like important element for us. I recommend they take care with the water. Don't use more water than you need. Don't throw garbage in the streets, in the sea. Put the light off when you don't need the light. Learn about how to recycle and change little things. With that, you can do the change, and you can be part of the change. We can be blind in this moment because it's our planet. You're going to leave this planet to your children, your families, your nephews, your animals, and we had to change, because only have a few years for this, and we had to be a group and help with this. Thank you so much.